In this video, I'm going to show you how to color cell based on value in Google Sheets. So to do this, we'll be utilizing conditional formatting. After successfully accessing your Google spreadsheet, the first thing that you would like to do is to select and highlight the range of rows and columns that are involved in the formatting. So let's say for this video, the whole sheet is involved in this action. After selecting the range, in the menu navigation, simply navigate to Format, and in Format, go to Conditional Formatting. In here, you can create rules for your format. So to do this, let's click the Add Another Rule in here, and let's start formatting the rules. So format cells if the cell contains a text, so let's say the value will be good. If it's good, the color would be green. Then click Done. Let's add another rule in here. Now the same format, the difference is if the text contains the word failed, then the color of the cell will be red. This is useful if we are sorting statuses of ratings such as good or failed. So after selecting your rule, simply click Done in here. And after we have successfully added the rule, let's test it out. Let's try good in here. So as you can see, the cell automatically turned into green. Failed, good, failed. This is because we have set the rules for the whole spreadsheet. If you would like to add a different value, you can simply customize the values in the conditional formatting interface. And that's about it. That's how to color cell based on value in Google Sheets. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.